Hello, good morning guys. We are here at Cagayan up here. We going down. We go down here because I need to cash out money from my GCash to buy something to eat. But I saw this one that they are getting the water, and this one is came from the spring. Yeah. This spring water is very amazing. Nakikita ninyo yung tubig galing ito sa bundok, itong tubig. And then, pag sa Maynila, hindi mo pwede gawin ito kasi alam mo naman sa in Manila. But here in Cagayan, you can see, walang naglalaro dito, di ba? Makikita mo yung tubig is napakalinis. It's really, it's very clear. At saka napakalinis niya. O, tingnan nyo guys. So, nag-iigib sila. They're taking water from here. You can see, and they had this gallon. So you see this water, that's only just now I found this only here in Cagayan. So it's really very challenging and adventure to came some other places, because also I went to the high mountain and then a long journey from Cotabato and Cagayan, and also now we are already in Cagayan. So the water here, hindi siya naubos, dyan lang din siya. Isan yung saan yung pag lumalabas ang tubig? Dyan lang dito rin. Okay. Ito ba panghugas o panginom? This one is only for a washing, not for a drinking. But it's really clean. Because this water is came from the spring, they drink also. But this one, I think it's clean because not in the city, and the water is came from the mountain, from the a spring water from the mountain. Yung dalawa nandun, no? Oh, good morning. So, nag-iigib sila doon. Nakita nyo, guys? Nag-iigib sila ng tubig. So, ito sa kalsada, guys. Kikita mo yan dito sa Cagayan, ito. Ito, at ang pier nila is, ito lang ang pier nila, guys, oh. Yan, ang pier nila dyan. Tapos, dito kami natutulog. We sleep here. Okay, like in a budget, they sell sa the Rosario Travelers Inn. So, we sleep in that building for 24 hours. Okay, and the afternoon we need to go already from this port, Cagayan. This one is the terminal. Also, they have a bakery here, you see? And also they have in the office. And also they have the one, I think the jeep is from, I don't know, from this jeep is going to up here. So this is the place. You see, guys? And naliliga rin sila dyan, guys. So, ang linis. It's really clean, the water, guys. It's very clear. Like crystal water. You see this one? So everybody, they can take water from here, take a shower, and also they said they drink because this water is clean. It came from the spring water. So we are here, and the pier was there. So it's still early in the morning. It's like almost 6 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to 7 o'clock. So okay, guys, this is Bella Ostaga Vlog. I love you. Good morning from here in Cagayan de Oro.